Good evening and welcome to Scottish Car Enthusiasts and Trains TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do the crankshaft pulley on a Rover 75 diesel. So first of all, I bought the part from discount MG Rover spares at dmgrs.co.uk. They've been providing quality parts for MG Rover vehicles, Rover 75 and MG ZT specialists. So, what will you need to do the crankshaft pulley? So the first thing you're going to need is the crankshaft pulley itself. Now, recommendations advise on Rover forums advise that you should go for a cortical crankshaft pulley. But when I was browsing discount MG Rover spares, I found this is a OEM-Q pulley, crankshaft pulley, and this was £99.99, or just say £100 if you want to be really pernickety. And this is one of the ones that recommended by themselves. They wouldn't recommend it if they hadn't tested it, and I believe this has been tested for at least 70,000 miles. So if they don't recommend it, they wouldn't sell it. So I'm going to be getting that fitted to the car. I never realised how big it was. Next up, you'll need some auxiliary belts. So this is a Dayco belt. Now, I could have bought this at DGMRS. Instead, I bought this at Euro Car Parts. And this is a 5PK 2030. And this will drive your auxiliary belts. And I think I did mention I got this at Euro Car Parts. So you'll need that. It's also worth doing, or when you come to do your belts, is a air conditioning belt, which is 5PK 875 or 5PK 870 is what you'll need. Again, it's a Dayco belt. Again, Rover Circle suggests that you should use maybe Gates belts, but again, this is what came up on Euro Car Parts, and also discount MG Rover spares also sell these as well. So, and they wouldn't, as I said, they wouldn't sell it if they didn't recommend these parts. So that's the things you'll need. So you'll also need a mechanic, because I'm not comfortable about doing this myself. So I have actually hired in a mobile mechanic, and we'll later join this video once the car has been done. It's also got me thinking as well. I'd been planning to take it to the garage to get serviced for going away next month, down to the Hub Nut Social. And I've been thinking, I just really want to give the car maybe just like an oil and filters service. So why take it to a garage when why not give it a try myself? So I've had a look in the Haynes Book of Flies. It doesn't seem too bad a job. So I'm going to research that, see what I need. I'll know that I'll need a new air filter. I don't know when it was last changed. I'm going to have to get the oil, the recommended oil for it. And I'm going to try and give it a blast myself, and take it from there. Because otherwise, I'm going to be paying, on top of the service items, I'm going to have to pay some more labour charges at the garage as well, where I could easily spend a Saturday morning doing this. So I'm going to get the parts, I'm going to research it, and I'm going to give it a try myself, and hopefully I'll be able to film it in a future video for you. So we'll see what happens when the car has been fitted with its new crankshaft pulley and belts, because at the minute it's sounding like a bag of spanners. And Leslie is back, sounding a lot healthier and driving a lot better as well, in my opinion. I'll show you what I mean. To the car. Still can't get over that gorgeous interior. Steering lock's on, hold on. No knocking noises. I'll give it a wee rev. No knocking noises whatsoever. So it's been a long couple of weeks with this car, with this crankshaft pulley, but it's finally resolved. Thanks to Autocare and Prestonpans, a garage I've used before, to fix an exhaust to my R56 Mini, and for carrying servicing in the past. I thought I'd give them a call, and they were more than willing to do the work involved. So it's made me a lot happier, because the last couple of weeks has got me down with this car. But I'm pleased to say that it's now resolved, and I can now enjoy Rover ownership and the quietness instead of a knocking noise at idle. So there we go. I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Scottish Car Enthusiasts and Trains TV, and I shall catch you in a future video. The only thing I'm not enjoying is the blooming fuel prices. Up again, 2 pence overnight. But here we go, I'll just leave you with a British Racing Green Rover 75. And just on a little side note, just before I really end this video, I'd just like to thank Colin at Robson Rover Repairs for the kind offer over a tool from Ireland to Scotland to help me resolve the crankshaft issue. If it hadn't have been for the car going into the garage that day, then I would have kindly taken up his offer. So thanks, Colin, it's much appreciated. And why not give Colin's channel a wee follow at Robson Rover Repair. I'll just show you the wee sticker there. So there is all the details you need. It's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram at Robson Rover Repair. So buy it, build it, break it, blog it.